Spring is here, and that means it's time to get your yard looking its best. Whether you're tackling overgrown weeds or perfecting those crisp sidewalk edges, the right string trimmer makes all the difference. We've gathered the top-rated cordless models on the market to help you find the perfect match for your lawn size, budget, and experience level. From ultralight options to gas-rivaling powerhouses, these picks will have you trimming with confidence. First up is the Worx String Trimmer GT 3.0. This is a fantastic 2-in-1 tool that handles both trimming and edging with ease. The head quickly pulls away from the shaft and twists to convert from a trimmer into an edger in just seconds, saving you the cost of a separate tool. It features Worx Command Feed System, which is a push-button spool system. When you need more line, you just push the button, no bumping or waiting for an auto feed timer. The head also pivots a full 90 degrees, so you can easily reach under shrubs and around landscaping. Plus, the shaft telescopes out for taller users. It weighs just over 5 pounds, runs at 7,600 RPM, and uses the 20-volt PowerShare battery platform that works with over 75 other tools. The only thing to note is that the 12-inch cutting width is slightly smaller than some others. If you want a lightweight, versatile, and affordable trimmer that excels around flower beds and walkways, this Worx is a brilliant choice. Next up, we have the Greenworks 24-volt string trimmer. This one is all about user-friendly design and incredible lightness. At just over 5 pounds, it's one of the lightest trimmers we've seen, making it perfect for anyone who wants to trim without fatigue. It's a 2-in-1 trimmer and edger that switches with one button, no tools required. The head rotates 90 degrees for tricky angles around tree roots and garden beds, and the telescoping aluminum shaft adjusts to fit users from just under 5 feet to over 6'5", which is great for households with multiple people. It has an 8,500 RPM motor, an auto feed head that prevents jams, and it runs at a quiet 75 decibels, so you won't annoy the neighbors. The included 24-volt battery works with over 150 Greenworks tools. If you're looking for a lightweight, easy-to-use trimmer that's ideal for smaller yards and anyone who values comfort, this Greenworks is a top-rated option you'll love. Find it linked in the description. Now let's talk about the Ego Power Plus string trimmer. This is a serious piece of equipment that delivers gas-like power without the hassle. It features patented power load technology, which is honestly a game changer. To load new line, you just feed it into the head and push a button, and it automatically winds itself in seconds. No more disassembly or frustration. It has a 15-inch cutting swath, the widest on our list, so you can finish your trimming faster. The high-efficiency brushless motor is incredibly durable, and with the included 56-volt 2.5 amp-hour battery, you get up to 45 minutes of runtime. The telescoping aluminum shaft adjusts for comfort, and the bump feed head advances line easily. It does weigh just over 10 pounds, so it's a bit heavier, but that power comes at a cost. If you have a larger property and want professional-grade performance that truly rivals gas, this Ego is worth every penny. You can check it out through the link below. For those who are already invested in the Makita 18-volt tool ecosystem, the Makita XRU23Z is a must-consider. This trimmer is tool-only, meaning it doesn't come with a battery, but it's designed for users who already own Makita's 18-volt LXT batteries. It features a Makita-built brushless motor that delivers up to 6,000 RPM and provides up to an hour of runtime with a 4 amp-hour battery. It has a variable speed trigger for controlled cutting and a high-low speed selector to manage power and runtime. The rapid load bump feed head loads line quickly in 3 easy steps. It also includes extreme protection technology, which seals internal components against water and dust for improved operation in harsh conditions. With a 13-inch cutting swath, it's a durable, professional-grade tool built for longevity. If you're already in the Makita system or need a reliable trimmer for regular use, this is a smart, durable investment. See the details in the link below. Finally, we have the Skil 40-volt string trimmer. This kit includes the trimmer, a 2 amp-hour battery, and a charger, giving you everything you need to get started. It features Skil's twist load head, which makes loading line incredibly simple. You just insert the line and twist to load. No tools, no mess. It has a 14-inch cutting swath, a dual-line bump feed for releasing line on the go, and a 2-speed selector, so you can choose between maximum power or extended runtime. The adjustable auxiliary handle helps you find a comfortable grip, and it's IPX4 weather resistant, so you can keep working in damp conditions without worry. It runs at 8,000 RPM and offers great balance and control. If you want a user-friendly, powerful trimmer with innovative line loading technology and a solid battery platform, this Skil is a fantastic value. You can find it linked in the description. So, which one is the best overall? For most homeowners looking for the perfect balance of power, innovation, and ease of use, the Ego Power Plus ST1511T gets our top recommendation. The power load technology alone is worth it, and the 15-inch cutting swath makes quick work of any yard. But honestly, all 5 of these trimmers are top rated for a reason. Whether you prioritize lightweight comfort, battery platform compatibility, or raw power, there's a perfect match waiting for you. Check out the links in the description to find the best deal on your favorite. If this guide helped you, please like the video and subscribe for more. You really can't go wrong with any of these carefully selected cordless trimmers. Happy gardening!